somebody is extremely jealous with you. They are simply jealous and they want to show their jealousy here and there. So that is what the channeling is going to be. This is somebody who have shown that they are much more prosperous, they are much more rich, they are much more intelligent than you. Their intelligence is much more on a deep. This can be a feminine, and she is trying to compete with you, and she is plotting people against you. This person is trying to put you down. This person is trying to put your name out there, or they are not on a very vast level. This person is trying to put you down because they want to break your confidence, they want to break your self-esteem, they want to show people that you are not good enough. But in reality, her true face is about to be revealed. Whoever that lady is, she has somebody has blonde hair, or somebody colors their hair. Their hair is about to it's about to look gray or white, but they color their hair often. This can be somebody who has a good psychic ability, but this ability is not coming from a good space. This ability has come from taming something, taming an energy or power. And this is a lady who has, this can be somebody whose eyes are also very effective, or this is somebody who has already shown that they are extremely jealous with you and they are trying to compete with you, they're trying to get some information about you. They want to peep into your life, what are you doing, how you are doing this, and they want to get some information, something negative, and they can use it for their own benefit. But in reality, goddesses are stepping in and they are telling you, such people should not be entertained around you. This person is going to be out of your life very soon. Whoever this lady is, this is somebody who is a feminine figure, and she is powerful in some way. She can be devoted to goddess, the fury, Kali Mata is coming very significantly here. Or goddess is trying to tell you or warn you about somebody who you think is very pure and pious, but they are actually worshipping something negative. Don't back down. This can be a love situation or a romantic connection, and you feel like the other person is so much pure-hearted. They are not. They use negative energies to manifest something in their life, and they have done it very much, like they are doing it for a very long time, and now this energy is not working for them any longer. Maybe they have used something on you and that energy has completely purified itself, so it's completely nullified. The cleansing has already happened. This person is like going here and there. They feel like whatever they had, they no more have it. They can't have that access anymore. They can't have access on your life, on your mind. This person was trying to trap you in some way. But now you have gathered the courage to walk your path, to speak your wisdom, to speak your truth. And with the card of the High Priestess, I feel like you will be rewarded for that. Divine is going to give you the crown, or Divine has already given you the crown to do something, to impart the knowledge. And this person feels so irritated by that. So whoever is showing up like a High Priestess, they want to become a High Priestess, but they cannot, by copying you, by taking your information, or by getting something. They tried their best to get something negative about you, but they get nothing. And now this person is like, oh my god, I used my powers, I used something negative on this person also. They know it, and I will be in trouble, and this person can put me in trouble. They will be in trouble, but this trouble will not be so much seen to people. It will be very personal trouble, because their own mind will not obey them in some way. It's like a curse from the goddess. I'm telling this to you because you have to understand, not everyone who is claiming to be very good is gonna be good for you. In my personal life, when you are a psychic person, you have some healing energies, you will always find out some people are going to come around you and they will tell you, I'm very spiritual, I do this, I do that. And at the end of the day, you also you don't even use your wisdom, you don't even use your intuition, you will simply shut down your intuition and accept that, okay, fine, you are so good, you are saying this to me. How can somebody talk like this and behave in a different way? Because you follow a straight path, it doesn't mean that everybody is following the same path. There are many people who will simply try to use spirituality, knowledge, just to boost their ego, but just to boost in a group or in a group discussion that I know everything, I have all the powers, but they don't really mean it, they don't really follow it. So that is what I'm getting. Okay, my personal experience, I encountered a lot of those such people who claim to be something but they are not. And we believe that yes, whatever they are speaking is the truth. But no, before you trust anyone, if you feel that your intuition is telling you to not to trust somebody, this person is, look at somebody even on a social media or any platform, I'm telling this very bluntly to you, whoever you are, and you feel that this person's energy is very disgusting, stay away from that thing. I'm telling you. But it can also mean that you have become a person who is so into trauma and into negativity. Whoever is talking the right thing, you can also feel irritated by it. That irritation is coming from jealousy or it's coming from something else. But a different kind of irritation happens when you feel like this person is telling whatever they want. That is something you should always look for. And it is coming from past lifetime. So maybe you have a very bad attachment with someone, which is I will do everything for you. Your happiness is my happiness. You have to leave this thing because of this one tendency you are suffering right now, or you can't see that success which should be in your life. Like even it can be with feminines also. You are my friend, now take whatever is mine, and they cheated you in every possible way. So now it is your last lesson to leave this tendency and to understand, if I am your friend, it is my boundary, I will not cross that limit. If you try to take me out of my boundaries and you try to be my good friend, I'm not going to entertain your drama. Be very blunt with people, especially to feminines. That is a message, especially to feminines. If you feel like some people are trying to get you, or they are trying to put you down, they are questioning your worth, they are questioning your self-esteem, immediately put such people out of your life. You should not be ashamed of it. And if you feel that your gut is saying this person is negative, this person is evil, put them out of your life. And once you do this, or your gut feeling is telling you this person is doing something negative, or your psychic abilities are telling you, you don't have to shout it to people. I'm saying you don't have to prove it to people. If you sense something wrong is there and I should not be attached with this person, leave that person immediately. There is nobody greater than your intuition. There is no one greater than your gut feeling and your sensitivity. That is your real God. So if you feel personally, I'm telling this to you, if you feel it, whoever close that person is, however much attached you are with them, if you feel that way, cut all the cords.